Hello everyone, welcome here. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how sorting a table using order by clause. So while writing the order by, how we are making a sorting technique, a great technique we are going to apply. So let's see. It's very simple. So the customer details I'm going to applying here for this selection of table. So select star from sales LT dot customer. So if I run this query, just execute, all the whole data we are able to getting here. So from here to removing the wildcard character, I am selecting a few columns like first name and last name and customer company name, salesperson email. Yeah, if you need more columns you can add it. Otherwise we'll see about the first name, last name, company name. These are the columns we'll see, and we'll start the execution. So yeah, something is wrong here, could not find the T. Okay, yeah, execute. Yeah, now 3 columns we are getting out of 847 rows. Perfect. Now see, is there any alphabetical order is followed by the name? If I want to present in a specific sorting technique to be applied by order by, so how it is possible? See, in SQL, ORDER BY, order by clause, we can apply directly at the end of the SQL statement. So with the which column we need to, based on the order by, we need to apply? Yes, either first column or second name or company name. Which is the column name you are specified here, first name. If I applied, just run it, execute the statement. See, based on the first column it is filtered the data. How beauty, automatically inside the query, while writing the query only we are filtering the data. Just we are taking this data and presenting into the output. There is not required to do much code there. So understanding to filtering while getting the data and applying based on not only the first column, which column you want to filter the data to, making sorting by applying of the sorting technique. Yes, you can apply. If you want to make it company name wise filtering, you can COMPANY, company name. The column you have to specify how the table name, column name is. See, a column wise I have a filtered. So how the order you require, it automatically assigned. And by default you may observe it very clearly. You may observe the guys here by default when the query is executed or running, it will be ascending order, it will be sorted by default. Sorting a column by default, how the result is set is coming, it's by order wise ascending order. Maybe you may put like a ASC, yeah, ASC. It's also called a keyword. If you are putting, it will come ascending order. See, same company name wise ascending order. If you are not putting, even it will be on ascending order. And you want to change, a particular order to be in descending. How it is possible? Yes, DESC. That's it. This is a one more keyword to making descending order. So ascending order, another one is descending order. The first one is ASC, we have applied. DESC is for descending order. So if I run the query, see, the company name is quite reverse. So the A would be at the end row. A would be at the end row, from onwards. How the ascending order is came, it is going to be change to the reverse manner in the descending order. How greatly we are getting these queries by the purpose of analysis. Yeah, how reports you require. You can write a query and adjust and set your data with great respective of order by clause. Alright, and also according to the column name you can change it. According to the column name, which column you want. If you want multiple columns, yes, you can make it comma and write the multiple columns also. And which column you are going to be filtering by using order by, that column name should be here. It should be here. Strongly remember. Okay, that column should be on selection option, select option. You need to select that column, then you need to apply these such type of filters maybe in which is like a group by or order by or limit. These are the things are very common. Okay, strongly remember it. It's a very, very important point. I'll see you in the next lecture. Thank you.